Welcome to the world premiere of the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5. The 2026 CX-5 debuts the next chapter of Mazda's acclaimed Kodo, Soul of Motion, design philosophy. It's a look that is both cleaner and more assertive. The signature grille has been redesigned, now seamlessly integrated with the bodywork for a frameless appearance that is both modern and powerful. Flanking it are the new, sleeker headlights. They are sharper, more focused, and feature a new multi-element LED signature that gives the CX-5 an unmistakable, piercing gaze, day or night. In profile, you can see the masterful work of Mazda's designers. They've refined the vehicle's proportions to create a more dynamic and premium silhouette. The front hood has been elongated, and the cabin has been shifted slightly rearward, giving the CX-5 the poised, powerful stance of a rear-wheel drive vehicle. The character lines along the body have been simplified. Instead of sharp creases, Mazda has focused on creating smooth, flowing surfaces that manipulate light and shadow. This light-as-art approach creates a sense of constant motion, making the car look alive even when standing still. The result is a clean, timeless design that exudes a sense of high-end craftsmanship. The details are where this new design truly sings. The alloy wheels, available in new, intricate designs, perfectly complement the vehicle's sophisticated look. At the rear, the CX-5 is cleaner and wider. The new taillights mirror the sharp signature of the front, and the traditional Mazda emblem has been replaced by a clean, modern Mazda wordmark, signaling a new era for the brand. Step inside, and you enter a sanctuary of modern Japanese luxury. The interior of the 2026 CX-5 has been completely reimagined to create a driver-focused, yet open and serene environment. The dashboard is a stunning example of minimalist design, with a strong horizontal layout that enhances the sense of space. At its center is the new, larger 12.3-inch Mazda Connect infotainment screen, elegantly integrated into the dash. Mazda has elevated the cabin with an obsessive focus on materials and texture. In the top trims, you'll find supple Nappa leather, real wood trim with unique grain patterns, and precisely crafted metal accents that feel cool and substantial to the touch. The central console has been redesigned for better ergonomics, with a more intuitive layout for the commander control knob and other key functions. Ambient lighting is now integrated throughout the cabin, allowing the driver to customize the atmosphere to suit their mood. The new platform allows for more interior space, particularly for rear seat passengers, who now enjoy more legroom and comfort. Above, an expansive panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the open, airy feeling. Every element, from the feel of the switchgear to the stitching on the seats, has been crafted to appeal to the senses, creating an environment that is not just a means of transport, but a destination in itself.